Measurement is the process of finding an unknown physical quantity by using a standard quantity. Measurement is the base of all experiments in science and technology. The value of every measurement contains some uncertainty. These uncertainties are called as errors. The difference between the real value and the observed value is called an error. Observed value means after taking the reading from the experiments. Accuracy. Accuracy is the closeness of a measured value to the actual value or true value. For example, given here these two masses, when compared to first one, masses is more accurate than second one. First one is accurate, second one is not accurate. And second example is from the scale measurement. First one is a 7 centimeter, second one is a 7.5 centimeter. So when compared to first one, second one is not accurate. Precision. Precision is the closeness of two or more measurements to each other. While making measurements, accuracy is always desired. The measured value should be close to the true value. For example, from this diagram, the maximum accuracy point is there. So from that accuracy point, the left and right side having the 2 points. That 2 points only which gives the precision. And then one more example is there. So from this given diagram, from the actual value to accuracy say if you decide accuracy say 8. From the 8 left and right side of the 2 points which is called precisions. Right side from 8 to 9, 9 to 10. So that the 2 point is precision. From the 8 to 7, 7 to 6. These 2 point which is called precision. Approximation. Approximation is the process of finding a number which is acceptably close to the exact value of the measurement of a physical quantity. So the exact value, the experimental value close to the exact value of the measurement, that is called a approximation. And then approximations are usually based on certain assumptions having a scientific background, and they can be modified whenever accuracy is needed. Example for approximation. While we prepare a dish, the ingredients are taken approximately. If you are preparing sambar, each and every one will add the ingredients or grocery items with the different quantities. But anyway, all are preparing sambar. Approximation is the process of finding a number which is acceptably close to the exact value of the measurement of the physical quantity. Then rounding off. Calculators are widely used in day-to-day life to do the calculations. The result given by a calculator has too many digits. We are observing in the calculator. So too many after one point having too many numbers or digits are there. Hence, a result containing more digits should be rounded off. But we did not return all these numbers. We are taking only the rounding off value. The techniques of rounding off is used in many areas of physics. So what are the rules for the rounding off? Rules for the rounding off. First, decide which is the last digit to keep. So first you decide what is the last digit to keep. And then second, leave it the same if the next digit is less than 5. And third point, increase it by 1 if the next digit is 5 or greater than 5. Example for rounding off. If we take 12.5, we decide the last digit is 5. So after the second point, leave it the same if the next digit is less than 5. If it is less than 5, no problem. Here 12.5. So 5 or more than 5. If it is 5 or more than 5, you can add 1 to the before number. So increase by it 1. So 12.5, which is equal to 13. This is the round off value. If it is 12.43, so now we have to decide which one is the last digit. Is 3. 3 is the last digit. It is less than 5. 4 also less than 5. So what is the rounded value? Is equal to 12. So this is the example for rules for rounding off.